There are so many things to love about 1423 West Lexington. First, the location. Located on a residential and quiet street in Little Italy, part of the near West Side, but a hop, skip, and jump to the best of Chicago. Hop to Taylor Street shopping, restaurants, Arrigo, Garibaldi, and Sheridan Parks. Skip to St. Ignatius and Whitney Young, highly acclaimed private and public schools, and the Illinois Medical District. Jump to the best of West Loop's hot restaurants, the Chicago Loop, Cultural Mile, Chicago Lakefront. The floor plan. This is a grand home that works for just about everyone. There's great flow, it's so well designed. There are 6 bedrooms and they're perfectly placed for flexibility of use. Whether you're a growing family, blended family, multi-generation household, have an au pair or nanny, the outdoor spaces are sensational. The bluestone patio, it's sophisticated, maintenance-free, with a perennial garden and trees. It is absolutely gorgeous at dusk or nighttime with the in-ground lighting. There's a 3rd floor deck off the family room and bar for sunning, working at home, escaping for quiet time. It is fabulous space. This home has been lovingly maintained by the same owners who had it custom built. They did a pre-listing inspection and everything has been done so you're ready to just move in. The rec room on the lower level has a 500-bottle wine room, and there's a bar downstairs, perfect for large parties and game day with extended family. There's even a bedroom on the lower level so guests can enjoy their privacy. The main level offers gracious living and dining rooms for formal entertaining. There's a fireplace and tons of room for Thanksgiving dinner for 20 and more. Also room to keep a piano for your budding piano virtuoso. 1423 West Lexington in Little Italy. It is an absolute gem. Come see it today.